Nicole Whitaker. I'm an immigration lawyer in Towson, Maryland. I am the principal immigration attorney for Whitaker Legal, LLC. We represent clients in Maryland and also clients all over the country. Do you have a child who needs a green card? If you do, your children may be eligible for Special Immigrant Juvenile Status, which is a way that your child can get a work permit and a green card. The idea behind Special Immigrant Juvenile Status is that the government wants to give status to immigrant children who have been abandoned, neglected, or abused by one or both parents. So let me give you some examples of what this type of case looks like. So we recently got a green card for a client who is about 17 years old. She is from a country in Africa, and in Africa, both of her parents had great jobs until one day her father died in an accident. After her father died, her mother became very depressed. She was unable to take care of her, and she sent all of her children to the United States to live with different family members in different states. So one of those children came to Maryland, and we helped her uncle get a green card for her, and we were able to prove that she was neglected and abandoned by her mother. Even though her mother loved her, she was unable to care for her in Africa. She wasn't able to help them get to school. She wasn't buying her children the things that they needed because she was depressed. And eventually she abandoned her children because she sent them to the United States to live with other people with no plans to reunify with them in the future. We also have clients from other countries where one parent came to the US and they live here with their undocumented immigrant child, and the other parent is nowhere to be seen. They abandoned the family when the child was very young, and in that case we can get a green card for the child, and by proving that the other parent has abandoned the child and didn't want to have a relationship with them. There are two parts of a special immigrant juvenile case. The first part is someone who is taking care of the child has to get custody or guardianship of the child in a state court in the US. And in that proceeding, the judge has to make special findings that the child was abandoned, neglected, or abused by one or both parents. Once you have that order, you can file an application with the Immigration Service to get that Special Immigrant Juvenile Status and a work permit and a green card based on the child qualifying for Special Immigrant Juvenile Status. If you have a child in the US who needs papers, needs a green card, and you think they might be eligible for Special Immigrant Juvenile Status because they've been neglected or abandoned or abused by one parent or both parents, give us a call at 410-207-9272 to schedule your consultation with me today.